finally, the Dinan part has arrived. So I'm heading to BMW right now to get it installed. Whew, can't wait for this power, baby. BMW dealership. Waiting for the loaner car right now, but look at this amazing M3, M6, sorry, what am I thinking? 167 MSRP. I love this blue color for the M4. If I ever wrap my M3, I would like to do it. And can't forget about the i8. Love this car, but compared to that M6, it has nothing on it.
Don't worry about that. This is already noted in the system, but I'm just going to note it on your sheet.
Okay, perfect. Here's my rental. Alright, here's my rental. It smells like cigarettes. Ugh. So I had to tell the lady I don't smoke, so don't charge me for that. But yeah, nice. 5 Series. Just like my old car. I used to have a 535i. Actually, it was an active hybrid 5, but a 535i engine. Pretty nice. This is a 2016 528i. Only 10,000 miles. Sport mode. Let's go up one more, Sport Plus. Let's drive it in Tiptronic because it has the paddle shifters. Let's go. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Not bad at all. Right now my car is at BMW dealership getting that part installed. I just want to check out the car and show you what it's about. Like I said, it smells like smoke. So I have all the windows open. Hopefully it clears it out. My car's in the shop right now. Let's check out what kind of car they gave me. It is 2016 528i sedan. Focus. And what packages it has is pretty much nothing. Comes with the basics. Out the door, it is 53,395. Not bad. Actually, the more and more I drive this car, the more I actually start to miss my 5 Series. Oh shit, I was about to go. That was my delivery driver, Phoenix. Let's catch up to that boy. And the main thing actually I miss about my 5 Series is this huge 9-inch navigation screen. On my new M3, it's actually pretty tiny, so this makes it so easy whenever you need to put in an address. Dinan just called me and my car is done. So heading to BMW right now to pick it up, and I can't wait to see how it feels now whenever I drive it. So as you just saw, once the car's sitting for like a minute or so, it'll just idle up for a couple of RPMs. That's actually something new that it's done ever since I remapped the car. Just got home. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. And there it is. The Dinan cold air intake. That part should give it about 7 to 8 extra horsepower. Then I remapped the engine, so it's a stage 1. That should give it another 10.